Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pray on guitar. We will start by mastering the core chord shapes. The song primarily uses an open E minor and a C major 7 chord. Focus on clean finger placement and smooth transitions between these two essential chords. Consistent practice will build your muscle memory, making the changes feel natural and effortless. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for the song's feel. Use a down-down-up-up-down-up motion, keeping your wrist relaxed. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm, especially when switching between chords. Emphasize the second and fourth beats slightly to give it that driving pulse. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Now, let's add the iconic lead riff that defines Pray. This riff appears in the intro and between vocal sections. It involves a hammer-on from the 5th to the 7th fret on the D string, followed by a quick pull-off from the 7th to the 5th fret on the G string. Pay close attention to the timing and articulation to capture its unique sound. Finally, let's put all the pieces together to play Pray from start to finish. Integrate the chords, strumming, and lead riff seamlessly. Pay attention to the song's dynamics, playing softer in the verses and building intensity in the choruses. Practicing with a backing track or the original song will significantly enhance your timing and overall musicality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.